To get to the elephant in the room, we first have to talk about another property, The Walking Dead. One of the biggest properties to ever come to Halloween Horror Nights. And throughout the multiple years and all the merch and even Hollywood building its own permanent location, it's what led us to American Horror Story. And both of these properties combined with the track record that Halloween Horror Nights puts out led us to the elephant in the room. That is right, folks. We are here to talk about the very first speculation on the channel. We are going to start a new series. I know Halloween Horror Nights is going to start ramping up. We have the tickets on sale, and we have some other news that was just confirmed quite recently, I think within like the last week or so. Need a little drink. We are here to talk about the elephant in the room.
Stranger Things.
Everyone expects for this. I mean, if Horror Nights didn't announce this, it would probably be the biggest shocker in the world. Would be just as shocking if they announced Bloody Mary was coming back to the event. Yeah, I'm not holding my breath for that one. No one's expecting her back at the event. But Stranger Things is definitely coming back to the event. It's like a 99.9. That reminds me, let me also say that everything that is mentioned in a speculation video is just rumors. It's just a speculation. It's just my guessing. Nothing is officially announced until it is announced by Universal themselves, and when it is, we will have another video on the announcement. With that out of the way, what we can expect is a look at season 2, since the first house last year was season 1. It's definitely going to be a lot of I'm always say this name, Demo Morgans, Gorgons. I'm just going to say that the naked demon guys, there we go. Naked plant-faced demon guys that belong in something like Silent Hill. They are definitely going to be back. Season 2 basically was a lot of that. We're going to see probably some key scenes like the junkyard scene, I imagine. We're going to see maybe that slug moving around. We're going to see the new female character who was kind of involved. We're going to probably definitely see Ghostbusters outfits, I'm sure, at some capacity. We're going to see that, as well as where they end up in the end of the season, the factory place thing. If I'm remembering the show just correctly, I haven't seen season 2 since it came out. Yeah, we're going to end up in all those places. It's going to be probably heavily advertised. This will probably be the first announcement out the gate. I'm going to take a guess at that because they want something big to announce to get people to start buying tickets early. And I'm going to take a guess that Stranger Things season 2 is coming to the event. What do you guys think? If you think Stranger Things is coming, and what do you want to see in this house versus what you saw last year? Maybe you want to see them change around some stuff. Maybe it wasn't scary and you want it more scary, more scarier. Any of those ideas, leave them down in the comment section, as well as leave this video a thumbs up. Speculation is back. We are doing these videos, hopefully. I'm hoping to do these videos at least every single Friday. I'm going to put out a speculation video, so tell your friends, tell your significant other. If you love Halloween Horror Nights on this channel, it is back full time, so hopefully you guys enjoy it, as well as listen to the podcast when that is going to be coming up very, very soon. That has been it for this video. I will catch you guys on another video next Friday. Adios until then. Peace out.
Hmm.